Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Zoho Books to manage your business finances, today's video is going to be a total game changer. I'll show you exactly how to book expenses and handle reimbursements, step by step, the right way, the fast way, and the 2025 way. So let's dive straight in. First things first. Open your web browser and head over to the Zoho Books website. Once there, click on the Washington Sign In button at the top right corner and log into your account. Easy start, right? After logging in, you'll land on your Zoho Books dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Settings. This is your control hub, where all configurations for your accounting workflow live. Now, under Quang Settings, scroll down to find the Watch for Purchases section. This is where Zoho Books stores everything related to your buying and spending, from bills and vendors to, of course, expenses. Click on Expenses. And here's where the magic happens. You'll now see a dedicated expense page showing all your previously logged expenses. To add a new one, click the plus new button or add expense option. In the new expense form, carefully fill in the details. Select the vendor or payee. Choose the expense category. Yes, like travel, office supplies, or meals. Add the key amount and one payment mode, whether it's paid by cash, bank, or card. Don't forget to attach the receipt or any supporting document. This step ensures accuracy and simplifies reimbursements later. Once all details are in, hit save, and boom, your expense is officially recorded. Now, let's talk about reimbursement of expenses, especially if employees or team members have paid out of pocket. Zoho Books makes this super smooth. Here's how. When an employee logs an expense they've covered, mark the payment status as reimbursable. Later, when you process the reimbursement, simply record the payment against that expense. This keeps your books clean and ensures the reimbursement reflects correctly in your reports. To wrap it up, managing chilled expenses and reimbursements in Zoho Books is more than just data entry. It's about keeping your business financially healthy, transparent, and compliant. Once you make this a habit, your accounting workflow will be smoother than ever. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Zoho tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover topics like automating expense approvals or vendor payments next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.